Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting the original, duplicate the background layer and work non-destructively. Once done, choose the spot healing brush set to content aware and pick a brush about 10–20% larger than the hotspot so edges blend. You use short, targeted strokes across the bright spot. This fills using surrounding texture automatically. If the spot is complex, sample nearby clean area with the clone stamp held Alt or Option to capture tone and texture for manual fixes later. Next you refine the result. Create a new layer and set the clone stamp to sample, current and below so you preserve edits. Use a small, harder brush to rebuild texture and a softer, low-opacity brush to smooth tonal differences. Varying pressure prevents banding. Once done, add a layer mask and paint with black to hide excess cloning or white to reveal corrections, which lets you blend precisely. Because lighting matters, occasionally reduce layer opacity to integrate the correction into the scene naturally. To finish, you match texture and tone. If color and detail don't align, apply a subtle frequency separation and work on low frequency for tone and high frequency for texture. This keeps sharpness. Then create a new layer set to soft light and use curves or gentle dodge and burn to match local brightness. If you still see halos or repeating patterns, undo to the duplicated start and redo with smaller, more varied strokes. This prevents patterning and yields a seamless result, so make sure to check at 100%.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.